Ladi, Aunty and Carla here again. Carla, I have a question for you as an ally. How does having a non-Indigenous Prime Minister further underprivilege Indigenous people?
Good question. Interesting question. That is actually one of the questions we ask in the Privilege Walk activity. Jump online. You'll see Evolve's adapted this activity to explore the role of privilege and the role of not having privilege. So that is one question. If in the exercise you have more privilege if the Prime Minister is of a similar ethnic background to yourself or even skin colour. So it's all about representation and people hearing your voice, Auntie, I think, and the fact that there, a lack of representation for any group, for non-Indigenous group in Parliament, in our leaders, means a lack of also hearing people's voices. Auntie, what do you think?
I think also, Carla, really essential is for our Prime Minister and our political leaders to be an ally to First Nations peoples, because as an ally, they're better informed and can help us promote our causes and issues and lend an ear to them and take them seriously.
Beautifully said, Auntie. Go well.
Go well.